Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to see analytics on X. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and make sure to sign into your account. After signing in, you will be redirected to the home page of your account. Here, you'll need to go to your profile page. For that, click on the profile feature in the left side menu. Now, if you would like to check the balance or the stats for one of the posts, you will need to first locate the post. After that, you can just click on the stats icon and it will show you all the analytics. Or for some reason, if you're not able to see this icon, you can just go to x.com/i/account_analytics. But note that you will have to upgrade to X Premium to check it completely. So that's basically how you can see analytics on X. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.